Goodbye blooms beneath the sky, your gentle warmth upon my skin reminds me where our love had been. The vinyl spins its quiet ache, soft echoes only hearts can make. Your eyes reflect the evening's glow, the truth we both have come to know. The walls remember every tone, but now they sigh, we walk alone. Saxophone hums low and blue, calling out its plea to you. Goodbye Underland and light, where our hearts once held the night. Even as we turn away, love still knows the words to say. In the glow so warm and pale, every heartbeat tells the tale. Curtains breathe with gentle air, soft reminders linger there. The piano paints our fading tune, floating softly past the moon. Your silhouette begins to blur, like whispered memories of her. Yet in the chords the night sets free, I feel the love you leave with me. Every note a soft regret, every hum a promise kept. Though tomorrow steals the sky, love still lives where lanterns lie. Goodbye Underland and light, shimmering through a silver night. When the morning finds its way, I'll still hear the song we played. Lantern fades, yet love remains. Yet love remains. Old veranda, quiet night, shadows dancing in the light. A trembling breath, a soft release. Goodbye carried by the breeze. Your hand grows distant from my own. In twilight's glow we stand alone. The vinyl hums a tender ache, a song the heart can hardly take. Your eyes reflect a moonlit trace, a gentle loss we must embrace. The wooden floor recalls our days in fading soft nostalgic haze. Saxophone sighs low and blue, calling softly back to you. Shadows leaving the old veranda, love still whispers soft, I'll remember. Even as the night grows thin, your warm echo lives within. In the glow of midnight air, I still feel you standing there. Curtains breathe a fragile tune, like silver threads beneath the moon. The piano paints our final note, a quiet ache within the throat. Your footsteps fade in gentle rain, soft reminders wrapped in pain. Yet every chord the night sets free still carries what you meant to me. Every sigh a tender plea, every hum eternity. Though the dawn will claim the sky, love remains where shadows lie. Shadows leaving the old veranda. Still your name drifts through the amber. When the morning finds its way, I'll still hear the song we played, night drift song. Yet love remains. Rainy porch and silver sound, footsteps soft against the ground, a trembling sigh, a fading light. Goodbye floats into the night. Your gentle smile begins to wane, like whispered love in drifting rain. The vinyl hums a fragile ache, a moment neither heart can fake. Your eyes reflect the porch's glow, where memories gather soft and slow. Each drop that falls along the rail tells stories hearts alone can tell. Saxophone breeze low and blue, calling softly back to you. The last smile on the rainy porch, where love's flame begins to score. Even as we walk away, your warmth lingers in the gray. In the hush of falling rain, I still feel your soft refrain. Curtains shift in gentle breeze, carrying echoes through the trees. The piano paints our tender past, a fragile tune that couldn't last. Yet every chord the night sets free still holds what you once meant to me. Every sigh a quiet plea, every hum eternity. Though the dawn will claim the sky, love remains where shadows lie. The last smile on the rainy porch, still my heart you softly torch. When the morning finds its way, I'll still hear the song we played. Rain drifts on, yet love remains. Rain drips on, yet love remains. Velvet stairs in evening glow, whispers rise from hearts below. A trembling breath, a soft goodbye, echoes drift across the sky. Your shadow leans beside my own. In quiet hues the night has grown. The vinyl hums its gentle line, a fading warmth we once called mine. Your fingers trace the air so slow, last embracing amber glow. The room remembers every day, but now we turn and walk away. Saxophone cries low and blue as memories fall back to you. Echoes on the velvet stair, love still lingers in the air. Even though we say goodbye, your soft voice will never die. In the glow of midnight song, hearts remember holding on. Curtains breathe in lilac shade, where gentle dreams were softly made. The night repeats our stolen tune beneath the pale forgiven moon. Your footsteps fade like summer rain, soft reminders of our pain. But in each chord the piano plays, I feel your warmth in quiet ways. Every note a whispered plea, every hum eternity. Though tomorrow claims the sky, love still lives in lullabies. Echoes on the velvet stair, still your name is everywhere. When the morning finds its way, I'll still hear the song we played. Moonlight dims, yet love remains. Rusty street lamp glowing bare, casting gold on midnight air. A final breath, a trembling sigh. Goodbye drips beneath the sky. Your hand slips slowly out of mine, like fading notes of old design. The vinyl hums a broken tune, a whispered ache beneath the moon. The cobblestones remember well the stories only hearts can tell. But now the night unthreads the seam, parting shades of what had you. Goodbye beneath the rusted light, where our shadows met the night. Even as we drift apart, love still warms the fragile heart. In the glow so dim and true, I still stand, remember you. Curtains in the windows sway as memories softly slip away. The piano paints a last embrace, a trembling warmth we can't replace. Your footsteps fade into the breeze, a tender ache that doesn't cease. Yet in each note the night sets free. I feel your love still touching me. Every sigh a quiet plea, every hum eternity. Though the dawn will claim the sky, love remains where shadows lie. Goodbye beneath the rusted light, silver dreams escape the night. When the morning finds its way, I'll still hear the song we play. Street lanterns, yeah, love remains. Street lanterns, yet love remains. Down the stairs the shadows glide, echoed footsteps side by side. A final breath, a whispered air. Goodbye rest upon the stair. Your fading awakening the tears we keep. Saxophone breeze low and blue, calling softly back to you. Last whisper on the quiet stair. Love still lingers in the air. Though goodbye begins to rise, warmth still lives in haunted skies. Even when the night grows still, your soft echo lingers still. Curtains drift in midnight breeze, a tender ache beneath the keys. The piano weeps our final song, where broken hearts still try to belong. Your footsteps fade, a gentle plea, a thread of what we used to be. The room grows hollow as you go, leaving on a liquid glow. Every note a whispered cry, every chord a soft goodbye. Though the dawn will claim the sky, love remains where echoes lie. Last whisper on the quiet stair. Still your shadow lingers there. When the morning clears the gray, I'll still hear the song we played. Moonlight dims, yeah. Quiet window bathed in gray, dawn arrives to steal the day. A softened breath, a trembling line. Goodbye falls where hearts entwine. Your shadow clings to morning's glow, where gentle winds begin to blow. The vinyl hums knows a tender ache, a song the daylight cannot break. Your eyes reflect the fading night, a lullaby of silver light. Each quiet tear begins to show the weight of love we used to know. Saxophone sighs low and blue, whispering its plea to you. Tearful dawn at the quiet window, love still lingers soft in shadow. Even though the night is gone, your warmth echoes on and on. In the pale and gentle gray, I still whisper that you stay. Curtains flutter soft and slow, like memories we used to hold. The piano paints our fragile truth, a bittersweet return to youth. Your footsteps fade like morning rain, soft reflections mixed with pain. Yet in each chord the dawn sets free. I feel your love surrounding me. Every note a quiet plea, every hum eternity. Though the sunrise claims the sky, love remains where shadows lie. Tearful dawn at the quiet window, still your name drifts soft and mellow. Its way, I'll still hear the song we play. Morning warms, yet love remains. Dead steps in evening's glow, where fading calls start to slow. A single breath, a tender sigh, goodbye drifts where flowers lie. Your shadow blends with gentle shade, where all our whispered dreams were made. The vinyl hums a fragile plea, a song of what we used to be. Your quiet smile begins to wane, soft as dew and lingering rain. Each tender echo calls me back to moments slipping through the cracks. Saxophone breeze low and blue, sending out its call to you. Soft farewell on the garden steps where love's memory soars. The piano paints our quiet ache, a truth the night cannot unmake. Your footsteps fade like summer rain, falling soft on old terrain. Yet in each chord the dust sets free. Your gentle warmth returns to me. Every sigh a tender plea, every hum eternity. Though tomorrow steals the sky, love remains where shadows lie. Soft farewell on the garden steps, still my heart in twilight rests. When the morning finds its way, I'll still hear the song we played. Twilight falls, yet love remains. Old iron gate in evenings chill, moonlight resting soft and still, a shaking breath, a final plea. Goodbye drifts in quiet key. Your shadow leans along the stone, a fragile truth we've always known. The vinyl hums a tired refrain, a tender ache wrapped up in rain. Your eyes reflect the muted glow of the time refused to slow. This narrow path recalls our days, soft echoes held in golden haze. Saxophone sighs low and blue, calling softly out to you. Midnight goodbye by the old iron gate, where two hearts pause beneath their weight. Even as we drift apart, love still beats within my heart. In the hush of silver night, I still feel your fading light. Curtains in the distance sway, whispering words we couldn't say. The piano paints our final note, hanging warm within my throat. Your footsteps fade like autumn mail, leaving traces everywhere. Yet in each chord